We always want to supply our customers with best possible solutions, and hygiene is a very important point for us. For me, hygienic design means cleaning in less time, safe cleaning, and also using less cleaning agents to protect the environment. Let me say a few words about Ceraclean, our non-stick coating. With Ceraclean, you can achieve the same cleaning results in less time. So it helps you to improve the hygiene, save costs, and also to protect the environment. Another big feature is the lifting device. It's the first time we implemented it in the VSP. It improves the hygiene around the machine, around the slicer. So you have also a clean desk, you have a clean surrounding of the machine. A brand new feature is the cleaning indicator of the VSP. It allows you to plan, to manage the hygiene, the sanitation of the machine. It reminds the operator to clean the machine, so that secures food safety for you and your customer.